Yeah, too tender. Sauce.
Yeah.
Into my mouth. Yeah.
What do you think?
As usual, it's good.
So let's go, guys. We're gonna start cooking our easy salmon butter with lemon. And LG seasoned the salmon with salt.
And pepper.
Okay. And pepper. I'm going to teach him how to simple cooking of salmon. And we have a pan here. Now the pan it's hot, and we could put butter.
This one?
Our butter is, you need to put like 3 tablespoons. That's 3 tablespoons.
It's one.
So each square it's
Two.
it's 1 tablespoon. And then let's wait to there you go. Let's wait until it melted, the butter enough.
So let's wait till it melts.
Okay. There you go.
Easy.
So the temperature is just like 4.5.
Not too hot, just enough.
Not too hot. It's already melt, and then LG gonna start frying the
This way?
salmon here. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to hold the salmon when you like this, and hold it this way, like that,
Okay.
and put it there. And then another one. So it just fit only 3. There you go. And then you need to wait like 5 minutes, I guess. We will see until the salmon will cook.
Okay.
So just only 2 to 3 minutes enough.
Okay, it looks yummy.
Yeah.
It looks yummy.
So guys, it's all cooked, and we're going to transfer the salmon into plate. Ayan, there you go. And then now, get the ladle and saute the garlic first, the remaining butter on the pan. Butter. Yeah. I mean garlic, yes. Saute. Sauteing the garlic, and then and then we put the lemon paste.
A little bit. Okay.
And then we're going to put the lemon juice
Just the lemon juice?
over there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's 1 tablespoon. Then capsicum. And then that's done. Then we're gonna put that sauce on the top of that. Wait. To be necessary. Guys, there you go. Teaching my son to how to cook. There you go. That's enough now. And then put the on the top. Just scattered everywhere.
Yeah.
On the top. Yeah. There you go. And then put everything in the pan or on the top of the.
Yeah. Just the angle is gonna work.
And there's more there's more garlic in
Yeah.
the pan. Wow, look at that, guys.
Looks yummy.
And then turn on our stove. There you go. So this is our salmon. Look at that. Ooh. And then you're gonna put lemon on the top. Like make a presentation, you know. Yeah, just that. And there you go. Then I want you to cut some of the parsley and then spread on the top. Like cut it.
Like this.
And then yeah, can you hold it? So I'm gonna do that, guys, to have a presentation.
Biako? Let me do it. More?
There you go. Yeah, just a little bit more. Not that one, the green one. There you go. So that's our easy salmon. How to cook easy salmon, guys, with butter and lemon. Okay, that's it. Look at that. And that's cooked by LJ. So it's time to
It's a taste test.
taste test.
Taste test.
There you go, anak. Tell me what's
Ooh,
you
it's
need
so
to
tender.
put
Look
in
at
a
that.
sauce.
Yeah, tender. Sauce.
Yeah.
Into my mouth. Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, it's good.
It's good.
Like
Will you
the
try?
flavor.
Okay, guys, let's try. Wow, I love this with the butter. Lots of garlic. It's good.
Yes, so.
There you go, guys. Hope you like it, LJ. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.